I know it sounds crazy. First time I heard it, I was like, really? No, like that's too much information. That makes it too easy and too obvious, but it's legit. So Amazon, is it dead? Is it dying? Amazon is not dead and it's not dying. Amazon is still growing, and the opportunity for you or I or anyone else to make money on Amazon is also still growing. And so in this video, I want to show you exactly how you can make money on Amazon. And any one of these ways that I'm about to show you can legitimately generate you hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars. One sec, my grandma's calling. I gotta take this. Hi, Grandma. I'm doing good. You heard we're neighbors. Alright, so the first way to make money on Amazon is to become part of the Amazon Associates program. And this is basically going to be affiliate marketing. So you might know what both of those are, you might not know what either of those are, so I'm gonna back up, quickly explain the basics of both of those. So affiliate marketing is just simply taking somebody else's product, promoting it, and when a sale happens, you get a percentage of that sale, or an affiliate commission. And those percentages range anywhere from, say, 5% to maybe even 70%. So it really just varies company to company and even product to product. Amazon Associates is basically how you can do affiliate marketing for Amazon products. And so let me just show you exactly what that looks like. Okay, so if you just run a simple Google search for Amazon Associates, and then click into just the top result there, right here it brings you to the Amazon Associates page. Right here you can see in their URL, it's the affiliate program for Amazon. Alright, so you can see right here it says earn up to 10% advertising fees. Right here, get up to 10% in advertising fees. So on Amazon Associates, you can get up to a 10% affiliate commission. Now, that's not the most lucrative affiliate commission that's out there. There are other products and companies and programs that offer much higher affiliate commissions. But what's really cool and unique to Amazon is that they not only give you commission off of the product that you're promoting, but say someone adds that product they're promoting to their cart and then adds a bunch of other products to their cart, then you also get your affiliate percentage, your affiliate commission on the entire cart, not just on the one product that you were promoting. So that's super powerful, and you can see how that can end up making you a bunch more money, even though the affiliate commission might be a little bit lower than other affiliate programs and other products that you could affiliate market. Sorry if the camera angle just changed a little bit. Had to play with the camera for a second. So to get started, just come up here and click Join Now for free, and then create your Amazon account. If you already have an Amazon account, just throw that login right there and click Sign In. If you need to create one, click Create and go create one. So now I'm going to show you exactly how to set this all up, and it's actually very simple. First, you just need to know what product you're going to promote. For this example, I'm just going to go with the Amazon Echo. So what you want to do is just right here in the search bar, type in Amazon Echo, or you could even just type in Echo and click Go. And now it brought up the different options. Okay, so I'm just going to use this Echo Dot second generation. What you want to do is click right here, Get Link. And then you have a few different options here. If you're going to just be using a link to promote the product, then click on Text Only right here in the middle. And then come down here and you have an HTML link, a standard link, or a short link. I personally like to use short links, so I click there. And then I just highlight that and copy. And then now what you want to do with this link is just simply paste it wherever you're promoting the product. So whether that's in a Facebook group, on a Facebook page, your Instagram bio, in a YouTube description, wherever it may be, this is the link that you want to paste to promote the product. Because this link is now unique to me. So when someone clicks this link and buys the product and all the other products that they add to their cart, Amazon knows that purchase came through me, and so Amazon will then deliver me an affiliate commission for that purchase. And that's all 100% tracked just through this link that I just generated right here. And so that's how you do it. And if you want to grab another product to promote, let's just type in tripod, and then here's a bunch of different tripods I could promote. And I do the same thing. I've actually used this one. I own this one right here. Proof. So what I could do, since I only promote products that I use and like and are actually good, I would click Get Link, click on text only, scroll down, short link, copy that, and go paste it. So now you've got the product and you've got the link. The last piece of this puzzle is getting people to click on that link, which means there needs to be people there. People, aka traffic, right? On the internet, people are just called traffic. So that's what we need to do, is get traffic to click on this link and start buying, and then that's how we'll start making money, right? So there's a few different ways that you can set this up to start getting traffic, right? Actually, there's a ton of ways, but I'll just name a few here. Really common one is an Instagram following, really any social media following. If you have an Instagram account with a following, a YouTube channel with a following, a Snapchat with a following, really anywhere that you have a following or an audience, well then there's people and there's traffic that you can get to click on your link. So oftentimes people will promote, you become an Amazon associate and promote, affiliate market Amazon products as an Amazon associate through their YouTube channel or through their Instagram account or through their blog, whatever it may be. And that tends to be more of like a free traffic route because you already have those audiences and those social media platforms already have traffic there. So that tends to be much less expensive than this next option, which is to run paid advertising. So Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Snapchat ads, LinkedIn ads, whatever it may be, running Google AdWords, running ads to get people to click on this link, click on your unique link and see the product and buy it. So like you could set up a website, whether it's a blog or like a product review website, whatever it may be, and you could blog about different products, which are products that you're affiliate marketing for within Amazon Associates. Or you could set up like a product review site where you're just reviewing products and people are there to learn about the products and watch you review them, and then if they like them they'll click the link and buy it, and you can affiliate market products that way. So really there's just a bunch of different ways you can kind of bring it all together. The main thing is have a product, create the unique link, and then get people to click on that link that will want to buy the product, and then that's how you ultimately make money using Amazon Associates. So Amazon Associates is the first way, which is affiliate marketing, which is promoting other people's products. The next way you can make money on Amazon is by selling to Amazon. And this arm of Amazon is called Vendor Central. And this is more of like a B2B. So essentially what you're doing is you're taking your product that you own and you're selling it to Amazon. And then Amazon lists that on Amazon.com, and Amazon is actually the seller of that product. As you can see on this Amazon Vendor Central, the sign-in page to the Vendor Central portal, it says, grow your business with Amazon. When you register as our vendor, Amazon becomes a full-time distributor of your products. We buy and store the inventory and take care of everything from shipping and pricing to customer service and returns. So like I said, it's literally you sell your inventory to Amazon and they take it from there. You don't get any more money based off of the sales from there. You just make the sale to them. That's where you make your money. Alright, the third and final way that you can make money with Amazon is by selling on Amazon. Not selling somebody else's products that are already on Amazon, not selling your products to Amazon, but selling your products on Amazon. Meaning you take pictures of a product, you upload those pictures, create a listing, write a description and copy and put the price in, and actually create the listing that is shown on Amazon that people can search and find. And all of the ways I'm about to show you are legitimate ways that you can generate for yourself hundreds of thousands of dollars, millions of dollars just using Amazon, just selling on Amazon. But first, real quick, let me show you how to sign up as a seller and show you how you can actually go about creating a listing. So really simple, just go to Amazon.com. Just right here on the home page, if you click on sell and then click start selling, there is a $40 a month fee plus additional selling fees. I'll talk to you about those in a second. So just click start selling, and then right here sign in or create a new account. Alright, so once you're signed up as a seller, it'll bring you into here, which is called Amazon Seller Central. This is your seller dashboard. Now in order to create a listing for a product that you want to sell, you just click on inventory, and then right here, top right, click add a product. By the way, this is just like a dummy Seller Central that I set up for being able to jump in and show people things instead of jumping in with all my products and numbers everywhere and having to blur stuff out. So I just created this dummy one, that's all this is. But so right here, click into there, create a new listing, and then right here underneath this box, click if it is not in Amazon's catalog, create a new product listing, click there. And then right here you'll want to search out whatever the product is. You hear my dog drinking water back there. Find category, and then it'll give you the different categories to choose from here. I'm just going to click that one, and then right here you input the title, and then if there's variations of the product you can create those here. And then under offer you set your price, condition, quantity, and then right here you upload your images. Then once you've inputted all that, click save and finish. And then once you've done that, your product will show up right here. And there's some other stuff you got to do inside here, but I'm not going to get into all that right now. I just wanted to show you how to sign up as a seller and just quickly what it looks like inside here and how you can get started creating a listing for a product. But now let's talk about the different ways that you can sell on Amazon. So the third way that I'm going to share is my absolute favorite. It's the one that I have the most experience with and I've made a bunch of money with, so stick around for that one for sure. The first two have to do with what is called arbitrage. Online arbitrage being one way of doing it and retail arbitrage being the other way of doing it. Retail arbitrage just means that you're going out and finding a product that's been super discounted that you can purchase and then mark up a little bit and sell it and make a little bit of profit out of it. And so retail arbitrage is literally just walking into retail stores and buying products that are super discounted. And then you take those products, mark up the price, and sell them on Amazon or eBay, etc. So that's what retail arbitrage is. Go buy discounted products in stores, sell them for more online. And then also online arbitrage is the other way that you can do this, which is the exact same thing, just instead of going into physical retail store locations, you're just buying product online. So maybe you're buying off a website that's running a huge sale, or maybe you're even buying products on eBay that are selling for more on Amazon, stuff like that. So that's what arbitrage is. And so if you do that and find products that you can mark up and sell on Amazon, you just, like I just showed you, you just simply take some pictures, write some copy, create the listing, and list it on Amazon. And now the final and my favorite way to make money selling on Amazon is called private labeling using FBA. So another way, aka Amazon FBA private label. So let's break that down. Amazon, we know what that is, huge retail website, got it. FBA. FBA stands for Fulfilled by Amazon. And what that refers to is Amazon has a huge system of warehouses where they store tons and tons of inventory. And what Amazon allows you to do, you, me, anyone else, is send our inventory to their warehouses as part of their FBA Fulfillment by Amazon program. So I can send all my inventory to their warehouses, and then when a sale happens when someone buys that product on my product on Amazon.com, Amazon actually picks, packs, and ships that product from their warehouse to my customer for me. So I don't have to hire a fulfillment center. I don't have to do it out of my garage or anything like that. It's completely hands-off. All I do is I actually have my manufacturer in China send my inventory to Amazon's warehouses, and then all I do is create the listing and make sure all that's good and legit. And then when a sale happens, like I said, Amazon just picks, packs, and ships the order to my customers for me, and also handles customer service. So using FBA can make Amazon extremely, extremely passive. You don't have to deal with any of the fulfillment, any of the shipping, or any of the customer service. Okay, so we've got the Amazon, we've got the FBA, private label. What does private label means? Private label means that you just simply find a product that already exists. You don't have to create a new product or design a brand new product, anything like that. You just find one that already exists but that doesn't carry any patents or trademarks or stuff like that. And then you find a manufacturer of that same product, buy that product for them, and tell them to put your logo on it. And them putting your logo on it, that's called private labeling. Essentially what you're doing is creating your own brand of that product. You're private labeling that product with your brand. So traditionally, if you want to create a business around selling a product, you may have to first design a whole brand new product, right? Which is time intensive, labor intensive, money intensive. And then you have to, figure out how to market it. Well, with Amazon, you don't really have to do a whole lot of marketing because the traffic is already built into Amazon. Amazon already has millions and millions of people searching and browsing every second of every day. And then once you finally got someone to buy your product, then you'd have to worry about how are you going to pick, pack, and ship it to them. Okay, so Amazon FBA private label does away with basically all of that. You don't have to do product design, you don't have to figure out how to get people there, and you don't have to deal with shipping and handling and fulfillment. Also customer service you don't have to deal with. So it takes out 4 pillars of business. Like it just does. And so if you find a product that sells really well, now you're pretty passively making some really good money. And so now it really just becomes all about, and it is 100% all about the product that you choose to sell. And what's so crazy is that you can actually go to Amazon.com, look at all the products, and see exactly how many sales are being made each month for each product. And so you can literally just go conduct a bunch of research on Amazon and then figure out which products have really high sales, find a manufacturer of that product, private label that product, send that product to Amazon's warehouses, and now you're making a bunch of sales every month of that same product. So real quickly, just want to prove that to you because I know it sounds crazy. First time I heard it, I was like, really? No, like that's too much information. That makes it too easy and too obvious, but it's legit. So if we come here and let's just search umbrellas. Alright, this tool right here, this icon, the black J, orange S, is called Jungle Scout. If I click that, it pulls up this box here and starts pulling in a bunch of data. It starts pulling in all the information, all the different data points on the products that we see on this page right here. So you've got different columns: product name, brand, price, category, sales rank, monthly sales, daily sales, revenue, reviews. So anyways, it gives you all these columns, right? The main one, the most important one is the sales column right here, monthly sales. Okay, so we can see right here, this umbrella is making 943 sales per month. This one almost 12,000 per month. This one 200 per month. This one 1,000 per month. This one 18,000 per month. So you can see right here, it literally shows you for each listing how many sales are being made each month. So it makes it very easy for you to come onto Amazon.com, conduct research, figure out what are the best-selling products, which ones are in high demand, which ones are making high sales every single month, and then you go find that product, find a manufacturer for that product, private label it, and then you sell it on Amazon. And since the proof is already here that there's a ton of sales already happening for it, then chances are extremely high, nearly guaranteed if you do the data research really well, that once you list that product on Amazon, you'll start making a lot of sales as well. And this tool right here is called Jungle Scout. I'll leave it linked in the description. And then also another one that's similar is this one right here, which is called Helium 10, and this is the X-ray tool for Helium 10. It's basically just the same thing as Jungle Scout, just from a different company. And so same thing here, we've got all the different data points, got the sales column telling us all the sales that are taking place for each listing, etc. So I'll also leave Helium 10 linked in the description. Both of them are great tools, and both companies offer some similar tools and also some tools that are different. So if you're serious about selling on Amazon, really all you need is just those data boxes. Like honestly, you don't really need any of the other tools that everybody else is teaching and preaching. They can be helpful, they can help you optimize and etc., like make things better, blah blah blah, but really what it really comes down to, what success really boils down to when it comes to selling on Amazon, especially private labeling, is using that data I just showed you to analyze what are the highest selling products on Amazon, and then how you can become a seller of that same product. Now, if this is something you're interested in and considering, which it should be because it's super dope and super legit, then I highly recommend that, well one, know that it's super doable and super possible to create a successful, thriving Amazon FBA private label business as a beginner with no prior experience. That's exactly what I was. I didn't have Amazon experience prior. It was all new to me. I just grabbed Jungle Scout, the data research tool, and started analyzing products on Amazon. And then using that tool, I found a couple, and just within the first year, I already cleared over $300,000. And so, again, that was with no experience, no prior, anything. That was just with Jungle Scout and the ability to look at products on Amazon and see how many sales are being made of that product each month. So know that if you're new, whatever, it's completely possible. And then the second thing, last thing, just to wrap up the video here, is make sure and go check out my other Amazon videos, specifically the ones on product research. Those are the ones where I go in depth on all the different data points that you need to be analyzing, how you need to analyze them, and a whole other bunch of tips and tricks. There's an entire playlist that I made on Amazon FBA private label, so go check that out.